Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you people are doing good. Today in this video I'm gonna unbox and review my Prestige Omega pack of 3 non-stick aluminum induction bottom cookware. And here goes my product. I'm gonna unbox it. In the box it is mentioned as 4,295 rupees, but in Flipkart I got this for only 1,400 rupees. And guys, let me show you the quality of this product. And now let me explain description. Firstly, it is a metallic purple color, durable granite finish. You can see a granite finish coating over this. And you'll get a pack of 3 where it is a non-stick surface, and you'll get 1 year warranty for this. Guys, as I said you before, you'll get a pack of 3. One is fry pan, and another one is tawa, and another one is kadai. Then let me explain you the specification. You'll get a fry pan of 1.7 liter with a diameter of 24 centimeter. You can see the handle, how cool it is. The color is so attractive, and if I say about its durability or strength, it is good enough. And if I want to say about tawa, it will get for standard size of 28 centimeters. And kadai, you will get a lid also. And for kadai, it is 2.3 liters with 24 centimeter. And this is dishwasher safe. I suggest you to use wooden spoon instead of steel spoon. You can see how it looks. And it is a lid. Guys, for 1,400 rupees, I think it is much worth here, and quality is very good. You'll get non-stick induction bottom and pack of 3. Guys, I also suggest you to buy this in any kind of sale in Amazon, end of season sale like that, because if you buy in other time it might be costlier. And I'll share the link in the description. You can go and check it out once if you like this. And hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you.